Watch, this is really funny. When I try to exercise, Nikita follows me. It's funny. Look. I'll do it right now. Look. She knows that I'm gonna exercise. Look. When I start doing this. See? She follows everything I do. Look. See? And then when I go up again, see? Yes, and she starts rubbing up against my feet. Good thing this is not a real exercising routine that I do, because I wouldn't be getting anything done. Just wanted to show you what she does every time I do that. Follows me wherever I go. And then when I go back, see? Back, and then forward. See? Oh, I'm telling you, this is just for, to demonstrate what she does, because I'm telling you, I would not be able to get any exercising done with her like that. See? Back again. And then forward. Oh, God. Hey, no biting. And yes, she sometimes does that too with the biting, but not all the time, thank God. It's interesting how she follows me wherever I go, even when I exercise. It's really weird. Out of all the cats I've ever owned, she's the only one that ever has done that. I've never had a cat that did that before. It's pretty funny. And she was licking my hand for some reason. Well, that's all I wanted to show you for this video. So, see you next time.